Hi guys, I'm Kenine Crooner Finn Austin there, and we're gonna watch a video. This video is called SFM Baldi's Basics Camping with Baldi, so it's a really funny video, so let's watch it. Okay, so let's watch this video.
Go camping before. Oh yes, time to go camping. Camping. I cannot wait to go camping.
Hello there, Jeremy. Let's go camping.
Oh my gosh!
Second thought,
Look at his face.
I'm feeling a little bit sick, Baldi.
Hello there, Jeremy. Let's go camping.
Look at his face. It looks like a rainbow colored face. That's kind of funny. It looks kind of creepy, but it's rainbow.
As I second thought, I'm feeling a little bit sick, Baldi, and so I'm gonna go now because I feel really sick. Oh no.
No escaping Baldi's camping in the hall.
Oh my gosh,
The
he looks
house.
creepy.
We're outside the house. We're outside. The heck do you mean by that?
Don't mock me when I'm saying in the hall.
Look at his face. Look at his face. It looks kind of creepy. Yeah, it looks kind of creepy. I didn't know what that thing is. It looks like his hand points up, but I don't know what this dude is. It's kind of a bit creepy. It looks like a monkey. It looks like a monkey giraffe thing. I don't know what it is.
Okay then, but well, please, I don't want to go at him. He's very scary.
Oh!
That's not my problem, kid.
Please, I don't want to go at him. He's very
Oh, whoa. That went really fast.
scary.
That's not my problem, kid.
Okay.
Okay then, but well, please, I don't want to go at him. He's very
Whoa, yep. Look at his face. It looks kind of red, like really, he's going like this. That's kind of creepy.
him. He's
Look!
very
Oh, look at his face!
That's not my problem, kid. You have to go with him. Your parents already signed the contract for you to go camping with him.
And what if I refuse?
You'll be in the detention for 3 years.
Why am I still alive?
Did he just said
3 years of
detention?
detention? You can't do that.
Yes, I can. I can do whatever I want. I'm the principal, and you're not. Now you're gonna go with Baldi, okay? Or else you want to stay in detention for 3 years so you won't ever see your family ever again, and you will suffer in my office.
He just said
Come on,
detention.
kid. It will be fun together, camping together with us. I promise I won't do anything stupid.
Oh
with
my!
you. Just
Oh
come
my
on.
gosh!
It'll be fun stupid
Whoa.
with us. I promise I won't do anything stupid.
Whoa.
Come on, kid. It will be fun together, camping together with us. I promise I won't do anything stupid.
Oh. Well, let's...
Kid, it will be fun together, camping together with us. I promise I won't do anything stupid.
Look at his face. Yeah, it's really dark, and look at his face. That's kind of creepy. Yeah, it looks like a dark... It looks like a dark... I don't know what that thing is. It looks like a dark fish thing. That's kind of funny.
With you? Just come on. It'll be fun between you and me.
Come on, kid. You better go with him, or else I will make you suffer in my office.
Fine, I'll go with him. Just tell Baldi to not do anything bad with me, because I know he's a really scary teacher.
Oh, I promise I will tell him.
Attaboy, kid. Now get in this bus. It'll be fun together.
Yeah, one note right here before I get in this bus. Why does it why does it say Joe's crossed with your name on it?
I don't.
Why does it say Joe's?
Oh my gosh. Did he just wrote something on somebody else's bus? Look at that. It says Joe's bus and it changes into Baldi's bus. Yeah, we're not allowed to write something on somebody else's bus. That is really dangerous. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, Baldi just wrote on somebody else's bus. That is really dangerous.
Crossed with your name on it?
I don't know what you mean by that. This is my bus. I have been this bus. This is my bus. I owned it. Not Joe. I don't know who Joe is. Yeah, but just get in the bus, you silly kids.
Look at his face.
I hope this camping trip will go what? What are you doing on this bus?
Going camping. What do you think, kid?
Oh, come on. So you're telling me I have to go with you? Oh, why?
Aw, it's okay, Jeremy. At least you have me.
For the 80th time, plague time, I'm not your girlfriend, okay? I don't even know you. You're a freak. Heck, why are you even in this?
Okay, let's watch this part. It's a really funny part.
Hey, Mr. Baldi, since it's gonna be a long trip to go to this campsite we're going to, let's play some Despacito.
Despacito, no.
Look at it.
No. Sit
Oh,
down. I don't want memes.
look at his eyebrows.
I don't want memes in my math class.
To go to this campsite we're going to, let's play some Despacito.
Despacito.
Look at his eyes.
No.
Look at his eyebrows.
Sit down. I don't want memes in my math class.
Okay then. In math class?
Yeah, look at his eyebrows.
In your math class.
Has really big eyebrows.
You're just Baldi.
That's really
Most
creepy.
popular guy on the internet.
Alright, kids, here we are. George Washington and Jefferson National Forests. Oh man, great memories here.
Let's watch this part.
And then
It's a
drag
really
it back
funny part,
here
too.
to the campsite.
Alright.
But what about me, Mr. Baldi?
Dear God, your voice.
Oh!
Look
at his
you
face.
can go get some more firewood, since we need another extra person to help carry another firewood around.
Alright. I got,
3 firewood.
yeah, the 33 wood that you stole from me, you stupid.
Why would you think he stole some wood from you? I mean, what are you, a racist or something?
A racist? That doesn't make any sense, Mr. Baldi. He was disguised as a tree and then he stole all my wood. How is his name a bully count as being racist?
Oh, quit your whining, you. Just tell me how much wood you got.
Yeah, Jeremy. How much wood did you get? Since you're jealous.
It's hard for me to kill myself when you guys are talking. Well, I used to have 33, and now I have 2. 2 firewoods.
Of course you grabbed 2. You always mess up things.
Let's
I can
watch this part.
Something up.
Ooh.
That's gonna happen.
He got
your
his little
face.
ruler.
Really hard.
Whoa.
To make sure you be unconscious. Okay?
Whoa.
So don't mess this up for me. Okay?
Whoa.
You hear me? Good. Now get going, will you?
Whoa. What is he doing with his ruler? It looks like shoving the kid out of his way. Yeah, and let's watch this part in the bottom here. It's really funny. Watch this one. Oh! Look at his face. He's really creepy. It looks like a ghost teeth guy, like some reason. Whoa.
Bless you.
Whoa! Look at his face. That. Look at his face. Oh my gosh. It's really creepy. His face looks really creepy.
I think I lost it. Oh.
Oh!
Hey, Mr. Baldy,
He is really scared.
I knew I couldn't trust you.
Look at his
I
face.
knew you would always mess up everything.
That's really creepy.
And now you burn the fire. You ruined this trip. But now, it's time for you to learn your lesson.
Mr. Baldy, I can explain. A random cloud helicopter thing just came down out of nowhere, and he just burned down the fire.
A cloud.
Oh, look at his lips.
Came down from the deeps of heaven
Whoa!
and burned down the fire? Really? Are you 2 years old when you're
Whoa!
imagining things, or you
Whoa!
stupid idiot? Huh?
No, I'm really telling you the truth. And
Oh!
why are you complaining about that fire? We could just always build another one and make another one. And
Make another one?
Whoa!
What are you, dumb?
He looks like a fish.
Time to make
A
another
human fish.
fire.
you're insane.
He
Mr.
got
Baldy.
really big lips
Please,
now.
Don't hit me with your ruler, okay? Let's just relax and we can build another. We can make another one, okay?
Whoa!
Frick.
Look at his face. Watch
You're
this
insane,
part.
Mr. Baldy. Just please don't hit me with your ruler, okay? Let's just relax and we can build another. We can make another one, okay?
You little frick.
Whoa! Look at his face. He looks like a ghost teeth guy. He looks really creepy. His face looks really creepy. Look at his eyebrows. He got his little ruler and his mouth is open. He looks like a ghost teeth guy fish human thing. I don't know. He's really creepy. His face looks really creepy.
Daddy, please. I am sorry that I failed my grades. Please, don't beat me, please.
I'm sorry, it's not gonna cut it.
Watch this part.
Right. I should just relax and not hit you with my ruler. So yeah, we could just rebuild the fire and we can make some s'mores together. So let's head back.
Wait, really? You're really not gonna hit me with your ruler?
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Let's get over here.
Oh my gosh!
Father.
Oh. Did you hear something, Bully?
We can make some s'mores together. So let's head back.
Wait, really? You're really not gonna hit me with your ruler?
Oh my gosh! Look at his face! That's really creepy. Yeah, everything's red and look. He's creepy looking thing. He looks like a, I don't know. It looks like a clown fish teeth guy ghost thing. Yeah, Baldy looks like a teeth guy fish ghost thing. Yeah, that's really creepy.
This is only screwing with you. Let's get over here. You made me do this, Father.
Whoa!
Oh. Did you hear something, Bully?
Yeah, Mr. Baldy just beat Jeremy with his ruler.
Oh. Well, he kind of deserved it anyways. Oh man, I cannot wait to eat this s'more. It looks so good. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so that's a really funny video. So okay, so this is the video about the camping Baldi's basic thing. Yeah, that